Michael's is having their kind of clearance, I guess, time of the year. I'm not quite sure exactly if it's like a semi-annual. I don't think so, but I just want to go on and see if any of their summer decor is on sale. So out here you can already see that they have some of their pillows on for $17. I want to see what they have inside, so we'll go together. Ooh, sparkles, glitter. Does it move around? Don't think so. It seems like it's fixed in there, or somehow the air pressures kind of kept it in place. I'm gonna grab a buggy because you never know what you'll find, especially if there's clearance items. Ooh, beach towels for $15. That's not too bad. The quality's pretty good. Oh, these were at Dollar Tree. I bought a little set. These here are 45% off. I don't know what the regular cost is. Oh, 30. So you're looking at about $16.50 for a little lemon tree. That's super cute, but we can DIY something like that using Dollar Tree material, right? These are all on for 50% off if you're looking for any little gifts. These are plastic. I don't like the plastic dispensers. I'm a glass dispenser just because I like to fill them with lemons, and I find that the plastic gets eaten. Oh, these are $7.60. The plastic kind of gets eaten up by the lemon, the acidity of the lemons. Are these real? Oh my goodness, I hope they're not real. I'd hate for them to just be captured to be sold. This is not too bad. 25 bags for $1.47, and they have prints. It's not a bad price at all. Your little doilies too. Ooh, oh, that's just not very big savings. Regular 15. Not too bad. Cute little craft kit for someone in your life. These are giant, like farmhouse looking things, but my goodness, 25 originally. Not very many things are left here, so these are all on for 40% off. At the beginning of the season, I did film a shop with me, and I came to see all the new items, and this was fully stocked. If you want to take a peek at that, I can put a link up above. This is all on sale as well, 45% off. A lot of the spring decor that came out. So I do have that in video, and also the fairy garden stuff. Now this is all 50% off today. And this is a really neat little setup. So if you're starting out like a fairy garden, you have a nice base. I mean, it's a little pricey, but it is 50% off. I don't think I could pay regular price for that, but on sale it's not too bad. And all of these little accessories are on for 50% off. So I know a lot of you who love making fairy gardens. Oh, this is really pretty cloaked. You may benefit from coming in and spotting some goodies for your gardens. I was thinking I almost purchased this for like my craft room for storing like scissors and stuff, but I don't think it's deep enough for my utensils. I'll go down this area here and see what's kind of lingering around. Oh, I love maps. Love them. Look at this. This is gorgeous. A tapestry, and it's so pretty. $45. I used to have this huge obsession with maps when I was young. I kind of let that go. Oh, look at this. I made this on the channel not too long ago. Yay. And look, mine's even sturdier than this. Woohoo. These are glass. This foliage is similar to the one that was at Dollar Tree at the beginning of spring as well. Oh my goodness, look what we're coming up on. This is definitely fall decor. Pumpkins. Oh, this is interesting. So they're doing like a faux wood marble effect almost, or like, I'm not even sure what to call this. These are foam pumpkins, just like the ones from Dollar Tree. Look at these. They're so pretty. I love blue and white. This is definitely right up my color scheme in my house. Oh, look. These are faux feathers. I love the blues. Now, in my home, I have a lot of this royal blue. So these are perfect colors for my house this year. However, I do love the purples that are out down here as well. These are just gorgeous. The purples are beautiful. They just don't go with my color scheme. So these guys here are all the succulents that were out for the spring and summer, and they're 45% off as well. So if you're looking for something, definitely take a peek. Oh, it's so fuzzy. I was about to go in there, but I'm seeing there's a ton of boxes. So who wants to guess what are in all of these boxes? Oh my gosh, I love the new line. Love it, love it, love it. So this is what they're working on. They're putting out all the fall things. I have no idea what's coming out, but I mean, it looks quite similar to last year's decor. That's cute. These are so similar to the Dollar Tree ones. Cute little signs. Well, so now we kind of got a sneak peek at what's coming out, even though everything is still kind of in boxes. Cute little pillows. If you follow my channel, you'll have seen that I post a lot of pocket letters to the channel, and I'm always looking for new paper pads, especially when they're at a good price and that they're inspiring to create a pocket letter. So this price is okay. It's nice to see some clearance pricing here. And I'll just go down the punches and stuff and see if there's anything that is on sale, and then it's kind of, you know, these are, I guess, like whole paper punches, but I'm talking about more like creating embellishment punches, like the giant ones. No, there's none on sale here. I always like taking a look, because if there's a good one, I like to buy it. Oh, here's the acrylic organizers. These guys are on sale. $13.97 if you're into stocking your washi that way or storing it. These I love for little embellishments. If you've taken a look at my craft room tour, I'll share with you how I've stored a lot of my mini embellishments. This is on sale for $3.97. That is, or $3.67 is not bad at all. $3.97. Oh my goodness, I can't see. Take a look and see if there's anything else. It looks like these all sold out, 97 cents. I wonder what color that was. Might have been clear ones. This here, it's on sale. I don't use these ones here, so I don't need one. But that looks like a great value. And these here are $14.97. So I guess if you're like scrapbooking on the go, looks nice and sturdy. Let's see if there's anything else here, but I think I'm about to leave because I was limited on time. So I hope you guys enjoyed walking through quickly with me to see what's on clearance at Michael's. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, and I will see you soon.